Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 6,914 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts. The front left tire is at 730 seconds and the front right is also at 730 seconds. The rear tire is at 730 seconds as well. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the seat and trunk shocks are weak and don't hold the seat or trunk lid open. Additionally, there is no external antenna, but this vehicle still has good reception regardless. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes and a paint blemish on the front fender. This vehicle has a toolkit and one key. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Scorpion muffler, rider floorboards, a luggage rack, and a sticker on the tour pack. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.